Let's examine this bearing problem. What we have here is that the bearing of London from Liverpool is 130 degrees. Find the bearing of Liverpool from London. Now, this word is very important. From. The bearing of London from Liverpool. So we're going to start from Liverpool. So this is Liverpool. What's the bearing? It is what? 130 degrees. Now, look at the North Pole. This is west, east, and south. So if you are getting your 3-digit bearing, you start from the North Pole and you go clockwise. So this is 130. From here to here is 90. All right, but we're going to 130. So we have to extend it somewhere here. That's 130. Now, from the center of the point here, we just draw a straight line. Now, this is going towards to London. We draw a 4 cardinal points again, and this is London. So we now need to get what? The bearing of Liverpool from London. From London. Okay, if you want to get the bearing from London, again, you go clockwise. From the North Pole, you go like this. And you have to stop when you get to the line that connects the 2 points. You see, we are stopping here. But the question is, how do we get this bearing? Because, of course, this is 90. This is a quadrant. This is 90. This is 90. But what about this extra angle? So that this will not end up giving us the complete bearing. We can get it from here. See. Remember, this is 130 from what we're given. And this is 90. If you remove 90 from 130, what would you have left? 40. So this is 40 degrees. All right. When you add 90 to 40, you get 130. I just split it to 90 and 40 degrees. Okay, if this is 40, then this will be 40 degrees because you see this line, if I extend it and also extend this, you see that they are parallel lines. And this angle here and this one, they are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. So if this is 40 degrees, this will be 40 degrees. Now we have gotten the complete bearing from here, from the North Pole, all the way to the line that connects the two locations, London and Liverpool. Now we have to add 90 to 90 to 90. That's what? 270 degrees. But what about plus 40 degrees? That's what? 310 degrees. So the bearing of Liverpool from London is 310 degrees. Now let me show you how to do this using back bearing. There is a simple way of getting this. This is what we call back bearing. The bearing of A from B is this. What's the bearing of B from A? That's back bearing. Because what we're told here, the bearing of London from Liverpool is 130 degrees. What's the bearing of Liverpool from London? That's back bearing. If you want to do back bearing, here is how you do it. If the bearing is not up to 180 degrees, to get the back bearing, you add 180 degrees to that bearing. Let me say it again. If the bearing is not up to 180 degrees, to get the back bearing, you add 180 degrees to that bearing. So what do we have here? 130. It's not up to 180. So for us to get the back bearing of 130, we are going to add 180 degrees to 130. What is 130 degrees plus 180? It is 310 degrees, which is what we got here. So this is how you do back bearing. But if the bearing is more than 180 degrees, to get the back bearing, you subtract 180 degrees from that area. I will do more of this in my subsequent videos. Follow for more.